want to quick demo how to use smart lock in the central panel in spaceFlow management your property tab. You need a smart lock to enable remote management and using spaceFlow to automate your listing task. So when for this smart for this smart lock, it's bundled with this property, and what this icon means currently is the unlock status. And once you click this, and it will trigger this smart lock to toggle the status from unlock to lock. And eventually you can see the status over here. If it is successful, to return the state to the front end, and it's successful, so it's become lock status. And currently this smart lock is the brand is quickest, and we support wide range brand. The full support list, you can see the smart lock tab. It seems if you want to enable the remote management, you need a smart lock. And no worries, we support more than 25 brand over here, like the main branch like August, Yale, Luckily, TD Lock, Google Nets. And here is all the model we support. Let's take a look. For example, Yale is probably the most famous in North America. Pretty much we support all of their Wi-Fi smart lock, and you can buy your favorite smart lock and install in your house and link to spaceFlow and start make your rental process automatically using spaceFlow platform. Thank you for watching.